siya guys. Oh, finished product. Look delicious, diba? Isn't it delicious? Hello there everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a simple Taiwanese dish. Disclaimer, this is only based on my experience. So yeah, I've learned this from my boss, and this is very easy, guys. I don't know how to call this dish, but basta ano siya, guys, Taiwanese food. So sa mga caretakers dyan, ang katulad ko na nagluluto at pinagluluto ang inyong amo, you can have this recipe, guys. It's very easy and simple. Char. So yan, init. So, kita niyo naman yung audience ko dyan sa likod. Hiritang-hirita na yan. Ayan nga, no. I have here eggplant. We're gonna cook this, and then I have egg garlic. And before we cut it, guys, so maglalagay tayo ng tubig into the planggana. Into this planggana, guys, and then we're going to put a salt so it won't, hold on, guys, bear with me. So I'm gonna put it a salt so it won't, when we cut this and put in the water, it don't get black. Ano daw? It don't get black, but bear with my English either. I'm not good at it. I'm just pretty, guys, but I'm not good in English. Char! Pretty! Nasaan banda? So, I'm gonna cut this. Mabutan ako dito ng amo ko ba? Buwang nga akong lakas. We're gonna cook this fast, guys, because my boss is going home na. Well, actually, he's not. I only cook this for me. I'll just cook it to show you. So, yun nga, the water, I already put the salt in it. This is what I'm saying, guys. When you put this in the water, you'll stay the color, like it doesn't turn into black. So yan, kinakat ko na siya into cubes. Ganito lang. Ganyan siya, guys. So, bear with me because I don't have a cameraman, so do it myself. So, yan na. We are cutting it. There she goes. Wala akong vlog na hindi si Granny kasali. Every vlog I made cheese in there. So now I'm going to cut my garlic. My garlic, guys. I'm gonna cut this. No accent. I cut like 5 cloves of garlic, guys, because I love garlic. Mainit na yung pan natin, guys. It's very hot. Hotter than nature. So I'll put on konti lang, guys, kasi mostly of the employers, guys, they don't like, mostly of the Taiwanese, they don't like too much oil. So konti lang ang ilagay nyo. Then now it's already hot, guys. As you can see. Oh, nagbababble na siya. So we're going to put, i-ano muna natin to, guys. Remember, I marinated my pan is too hot. So remember, I marinated a little bit pork. So we're going to put it in there first. Yung pan namin, this is supposed to be how they call it, non-sticky. Pero parang sticky na siya. Until mag-brown siya, guys. Ayan. So yan, brown na siya guys. So alisin na natin. Lalagyan natin siya ulit dito. We're going to put it set aside it again. Okay now guys, lalagay tayo ng konting mantika kasi medyo natuyo yung ating mantika. Konti lang guys. Ayaw ng mga amo natin ng madaming mantika. So, I will put my garlic. Bango guys. That's why I love garlic. Kaya na natin siya. I-wait lang natin mag-brown ng konti. Gagalit si Lola. So ayan, medyo brown na. Sunog na yata yung ano ko guys. Mawawala yun namaya. So igigisa natin ulit yung ating pork. And then now, kung mapapansin nyo guys, konti lang yung giniling ko because usually kasi guys in Taiwanese, like they in every vegetables they have, they put like a little bit pork, but not all the time they using pork. Sometimes they just like stir fry it with garlic and then that's it. They put just a little bit seasonings and then that's it. So now I'm going to put the eggplant. You can also try guys just the eggplant and garlic. It's still good the same. I mean, it's still like tastes good. Kasi maarte ako guys, naglagay ako ng kiniling. So, yeah. And then now, lalagyan natin. We are going to put a water until it becomes tender. So, yeah. So, ayan guys. Lagyan na natin again. We are just going to... Okay, Granny. I got you. So, we're just going to wait until it's become tender. So, I'm gonna cover it, guys. Make sure you put enough water, guys, because this eggplant, it will absorb the water itself. So, sometimes, if you don't put enough water and then, masusunog siya, guys. You're gonna fry it. So, yan. So, yun lang. Yun lang naman, guys. So, we are just going to wait till it become tender. Now, I'm gonna cover it. So guys, there you go, nag-tender na siya, diba? Parang I only like let it boil for like 10 minutes and then look, it's super tender na. So now, bago pa yan natuyo, lalagyan natin siya ng soy sauce guys, a little bit lang guys. Kasi para hindi siya maalat. Yan, because remember, we already put soy sauce in the pork. We already marinated it with soy sauce and then be careful guys because mostly of the employers, they don't like, Taiwanese people, they don't like salty foods. Kaya, ano lang, tansyahin nyo lang yung alat. And then I have here, this one guys. This one. If you have this, if you don't, it's okay. I don't know what is. It's like a vegetable paste and it's really, really good guys. It gives taste to the food. So, lalagyan natin siya. Masarap to siya guys, parang oyster paste, but this one is veggies. Lambot na. Nagugutom na tuloy ako. I'm already hungry. And then we are going to put the seasonings guys. Konti lang. Konti lang. Sprinkle to taste. Sprinkle of seasoning to taste. Char. And then, I have here the spring onions. guys, but this is only optional. If you don't have it, it's fine. But me, I love spring onions too, so I'm gonna put it there. And there you go. And it's ready to serve. So yun na siya guys. Luto na, that's it. That's it. It's now ready to serve. Serve with love, char. As we always do guys, we are going to taste this. Grabe yung init. Ayan. Siyempre masarap to guys. This is good if you have rice. So we are now gonna taste this. Okay. So, titikman natin siya. Sobrang lambot. Kasing lambot ng puso mo. Charot. See, sobrang sakto lang ng lasa. The taste is really, how do I call it? The taste is enough. It's not salty. It's, for me, I'm gonna rate this 10. Of course, I cook it. And then now, I'm gonna put it in rice. First bite is you. Ang sarap guys. I miss cooking though. It's been a while since I don't cook. Because I'm being lazy. Sarap talaga guys. Siyempre ako nagluto, diba? Hindi ko makuha yung yummy face. I'm practicing for the yummy face, guys. Rate my yummy face, guys, in the comment. Sarap. Joke. Guys, hope you learned something again today in this video, and please don't forget to comment down there. And if it happened that you just dropped by in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and smash the notification bell so every time I have a new upload, you will get notified. Yes guys, and I'm trying to upload twice a week as much as I can, and hopefully I'll be able to be consistent. Stay safe, and I'm so happy guys because they lifted the lockdown here, so me and Granny are able to go out now. I can bring her outside, so hope you guys are safe.